Wagwan, wagwan, it's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself, you don't know, up. If you're not yet a subscriber, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button at the end of this video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to symmetrical box braids. And if you haven't seen any of my previous videos on how to box braids on natural hair using different symmetrical shapes, then I will leave the link to that playlist below in the description box so that you guys can go and check that out after. So this is one of my very loyal clients from day one. Big up yourself, Tola. One love. And for those of you who has been following this client's hair journey, either on my Instagram or on my Facebook, you guys know that the hair growth is real. So if you haven't yet purchased your Speechless hair care products, please visit our website, speechlesshairstyles.co.uk, to make your purchase today. My motto is that self-care is everything. Whether male or female, hair is hair and hair needs care. If you want to see progress, you have to invest in the process. A big shout out to all my clients who traveled from north, south, east and west of England to start their hair journey with me. Big up on yourself, you don't know, up. And to all my clients who traveled from other countries to start their hair journey with me, big up on yourself, one love. A big massive shout out to all my customers who has been continuously supporting my hair care brand. Thank you guys so much for your support. And for those of you who don't know about the amazing hair growth journeys on this channel, please check out my playlist to find out more. And if you would like to purchase my Speechless hair care products, please visit our website, speechlesshairstyles.co.uk. Guys, please don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. And even if you don't have anything good to say, I still would like to hear you guys comment, spread the word and subscribe to my channel. Also, please follow me on Instagram or on Facebook to keep up with my hairstyles and things. Up. And guys, if you need any hair care tips or advice on how to grow back your bald patches or how to grow your hair faster and healthier, you can also book a one-to-one consultation with myself and I on our website, speechlesshairstyles.co.uk. So I'm gonna start off by box braiding the hair into triangle shapes, going around the head in a circle until I get to the top center of the head. Then I would need to change my angle, so please watch all the way through to the end as I demonstrate. And this is just a demonstration, so if you would like me to talk you through this process, you can book a virtual one-to-one tutorial with myself and I. Just visit our website, speechlesshairstyles.co.uk, and book your one-to-one tutorial today.